Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing really well. So today I am going to share with you one of my favourite fragrance categories, and that is just fresh, clean summer fragrances. I've got all different types of fresh, clean fragrances here, so hopefully there'll be something for everyone. Let's start off with one that I've been wearing a lot recently. This is Sun Bleached by Une Nuit Nomade. This is just summer in a bottle to me. This is fresh, clean, crisp laundry drying out on the line on a hot, sunny day. You know, when it has that sort of crisp quality to it. It's also got some florals in here, so it's not just a fresh laundry smell. It's got a slight citrusy quality in the opening. It's just very clean, very put together, but very comforting at the same time. I love this fragrance. It's so easy to wear just for day to day. I do have a discount code with this brand. As always, I will leave all of the links to all of the fragrances I'm going to mention in the description box, along with any discount codes that I have for you guys. Next up, I have 203 by Bon Parfumeur. This is a fruity, fresh fragrance. It kind of reminds me a bit of shampoo, but it's not just like a boring shampoo-y scent. It's got a lot more going on than that, but it really does have that like clean, freshly showered, shampooed vibe, which I'm personally a massive fan of. This is raspberry, vanilla and musk, and it is just gorgeous. It's really flirty, sexy. It's got a sweetness to it, but it's not overly sweet. This is the kind of fragrance you could wear day to day. You could also wear this on a date or something. This smells like a gorgeous, gorgeous girl. Bobo by Carner Barcelona is sunshine in a bottle to me. It smells like happiness. Honestly, I can't wear this and not feel happy. It is the most gorgeous citrus floral. It's got this burst of orange in the opening, and then it sort of dries down to more of a mellow citrus and the florals come through. It's quite feminine, which I really like. Sometimes I find citrus fragrances to just be completely unisex, whereas this does have a feminine vibe to it. Again, it's just so easy to wear. That's what I love about this category of fragrance. They're just easy reach fragrances. You can wear them in the warmer weather and they just make you feel so clean and lovely. This honestly smells like you're on a Mediterranean island. It's so gorgeous. Royal Musca from M. Micallef is one of the most stunning, clean, musky fragrances I've ever come across. It's got this sort of floral, musky tone. There's ylang ylang in here. It's got peach, but everything is so well blended that I don't necessarily pick out individual notes in this fragrance. It is just this gorgeous, clean, musky second skin. It's got almost like a soapy quality to it. This to me smells like you are in a hotel, you've just had an everything shower and you're wrapped up in a fluffy bathrobe and you're just living your best life. Like, you're definitely in a penthouse suite. That's the vibes. You've got champagne on tap and this is what you smell like. It's incredible. I have two from Tory Burch that I have been really loving. This one I've mentioned on my YouTube channel before. It is Electric Sky. It's a gorgeous aquatic floral fragrance. It has this sort of bohemian vibe to me. It's really unique and I just absolutely love it. Very fresh, very clean. It almost smells like a sea breeze to me, and I love this. Like, it gives me surfer chick vibes or something. I just really love it. Could I say I love it anymore? I love it. I've also been loving Divine Moon. So this one is more of a bright, radiant floral fragrance. It's just beautiful. This to me smells like the most beautiful put together woman. I had a 10ml travel size of this and I recommended it to one of you guys who you were asking me for. Oh my god, it was the loveliest thing. There was this lovely girl and she messaged me and she wanted a fragrance to sort of celebrate the birth of her daughter, and I just thought that that was the loveliest idea ever. She let me know the kind of vibe that she wanted and I recommended this fragrance and we just had a lovely conversation. She messaged me like a few days later or whatever to say that she got this fragrance and that she loved it, and I was just like so happy, and I was like, do you know what? I need a full bottle of this fragrance because it just made me want to wear it every day, to be honest. It's just beautiful. It smells like a goddess to me, it really does, and I love it. Of course, you know I Don't Know What by DS and Durga has to be in this list. I love this fragrance so much. It smells like fresh air in a forest. It is so unique to me. This smells like, oh, I just keep on describing this in the same way every time I speak about it. I always say it kind of brings me to a place where I'm standing in the middle of the forest and there's this fresh air. It's got this like fresh green quality to it, but it's not overly green. It's a bit woody. It's got this airy feel, but it's overall just very clean, and it has a muskiness to it, and it's slightly cozy but also sexy, and I just live and breathe for it. It is gorgeous. Musk Therapy by Initio. This is such a staple in my collection. It's a stunning fruity musk with creamy sandalwood. I love the sort of soft fluffiness of the musk in this fragrance. It's very clean. I find it very soothing. If I ever don't feel very well, this is the only fragrance I can wear. I can't wear fragrance if I don't feel good. It just makes me feel a bit nauseated, whereas this just makes me feel so clean and just comforted. I absolutely love it. It's so perfect for every day in the warmer weather. Another clean laundry scent is Ceramic by Andrea Mack. This is slightly different to the previous one that I showed you. It has a floral tone to it again. It's very fresh, it's very comforting, it's very soft, and it's got a powdery quality to it, which I love. It's inspired by a ceramic studio, and my mum actually used to work in our local university. Like when I was a kid, she worked in the art department, and like I have this very vivid memory of the smell of different types of like art materials, so like ceramics or oil paintings or whatever. And honestly, like this, it doesn't smell like a ceramic studio to me, but it gives me the feel of a ceramic studio. It's quite like airy and expansive, which I really like. I just love this fragrance. It's very clean. I love wearing this one before I go to bed. If I've had like an evening shower or an evening bath, this is such a gorgeous one to wear, and it just is very calming and soothing again. Elysium by Roger is a gorgeous citrusy, fruity, aquatic floral. You've got a juicy mix of mandarin, peach, bergamot and I think it's blackberry, blackcurrant, one of the two in the opening, and it's got this mix of white florals in there. Like I said, it has this aquatic vibe, even though there are no aquatic notes listed. It's slightly musky and it is just gorgeous. This is very clean, very fresh, very put together and classy. You could wear this in so many different situations, which is what I love about it. You could wear this to a work meeting. You could equally wear it to a party. I just love the versatility of this scent, and it's a beautiful one for warmer weather. Another fresh laundry fragrance is 724 by Maison Francis Kurkdjian. This is different to the others in the sense that this is a lot more sort of put together. This is one that I would wear this one for like anything. I would wear this one for when I want to feel relaxed and soothed and chilled. This one, you could wear it for anything, but it gives me a very sort of put together vibe, so I would wear this one for work. This has lots of aldehydes in, so it has that fresh, clean, soapy aldehydes vibe. There's some citrus in here as well, so it does have a citrusy edge. It's a bit musky. I'd say that this one is more unisex as well. The others to me lean feminine. But yeah, this is another really great one if you just want to smell like a fresh, clean, crisp white shirt. If that's what you're wearing, this scent would just match your outfit perfectly. Levant by Armand Jane is such a pretty musky floral fragrance with a fruity feel. So it's a mix of white florals. You've got jasmine, you've got peony, you've got some orange blossom in there as well. The orange blossom kind of mixes with orangey citrusy notes in the top. So in the top you've got mandarin and you've got tangelo. I've never smelled tangelo, but it's a type of orange and you definitely get that orangey feel. I love the way it mixes with the orange blossom in here. It's very musky. It's this clean, fluffy musk, and this smells like the most beautiful, innocent angel of a woman. This to me just smells like the essence of femininity, and I think it is such a beautiful fragrance. Like I said, I'll link all of these fragrances in the description box for you guys. Let me know if there are any fragrances that you would add to this list. Like, what are your go-to clean, fresh, everyday fragrances? I would love to know. Give the video a cheeky little thumbs up as always if you enjoyed it, guys, and hopefully I'll catch you in my next one. Bye!